Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2025 Dodge Hornet? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Underhood power distribution box. The 2025 Dodge Hornet's underhood power distribution box houses critical fuses and relays for the engine, transmission, and various electrical systems. It ensures proper power distribution to key components like the cooling system, HVAC, and lighting. Supplemental fuse box. The 2025 Dodge Hornet's supplemental fuse box manages additional fuses for accessories like the radio, interior lights, and power outlets. It ensures the smooth operation of secondary electrical components within the vehicle. Interior fuse box. The 2025 Dodge Hornet's interior fuse box controls fuses for essential cabin systems like infotainment, climate control, and lighting. It ensures electrical stability for interior features and comfort. Rear cargo fuse box. The 2025 Dodge Hornet's rear cargo fuse box manages fuses for rear electrical components like the power outlet, window lifters, and auxiliary systems. It ensures reliable power distribution for rear functions like the liftgate and rear window defrost. This fuse box is crucial for maintaining the proper operation of cargo-related features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, Micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions, disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.